Hello and welcome. We're out and about again today. We're not in the motorhome today, are we?
No, motorhome's still poorly.
Yeah, still sick as a dog. Sick as a
motorhome.
Anyway, so we've come out to
Woodside Wildlife Park.
Yeah, Woodside Wildlife Park, just outside Lincoln. And so we're just going to have a little wander about and see what we can see. I can smell the otters from here.
Yeah.
Anyway, so let's go and have a little peek what's about, eh?
Yes. Just to mention, we do actually have granddaughter with us. We're just not filming her.
No.
So if I talk to somebody else, ignore me.
Yeah. So they're Asian short-clawed
otters. Okay. Oh, he's come out again. Good.
Yeah, there they are.
Oh.
Hello, little mate.
Oh, look. It's peeping. What are you doing? He's nice. I like him.
That's the there's three in here.
You know what? Sorry.
I think there's three.
There you go.
Yeah, there's
They
definitely.
do stink, don't they?
Yeah, they do stink. There's definitely.
It's all those
family.
That musculid.
I can't smell.
Meerkat talk.
Really?
I didn't know meerkats could talk.
Oh.
Oh.
It's a meerkat talk, yes.
Meerkat talk. I didn't know they could talk. I've seen them on the telly. There they are. There's the meerkats. Look.
Meerkats are from Madagascar.
Are they? You know a lot about animals, don't you?
Well,
What are you doing up there?
Oh, right. Yeah.
Oh, look at
So well, you'd see him very well. He's quite well camouflaged,
Yeah.
isn't he?
That's the point of him. That's why he's
That is the point, yes. So
like
his predators
sand.
can't see him, isn't it?
I can see a white ear. Look, there's two white ears.
I can't see white ears. Oh, yeah, I can. No, they're gone. They're just up there. Oh, I can just see some ears. Go on tippy toes, you might just see some.
I already can see.
Can you? I can't see much of a wolf apart from some ears.
I don't know whether you'll see anything.
No, but he's hiding.
That's what they do.
The camouflage.
The howling could heard at 10 miles away.
Remember, he once. Oh! He got a penguin. And got to stroke a penguin even if not meant to.
Talk.
Ah. I bet that'd hurt if they pecked you.
No pelicans.
Storks.
Not pelicans.
What is that?
You stupid pelican.
Ah.
They're storks.
There's pink on.
Yeah.
Well, a little bit.
It's like they're doing a bit more building work, or new building work. Something a lot bigger. He's a Bobby Dazzler, isn't he?
He is. He's a Siberian lynx.
Ah. Somebody's nicked half his tail.
Well,
Oh, that's it, going hide right out of the way. That's a right brave thing, sensible thing to do. Yeah.
Yep, sit down. Oh, stop. Where is he? Can you see him?
Tiger.
There he is.
Tigey.
Wow.
they're literally so sneaky.
Monkeys.
It's a really good place.
Yeah, it's nice and warm in here as well.
And it's just like a load of plants and bugs everywhere. And more fruit. Look.
So he's a golden-headed lion tamarin.
And that one's a titi. I love them. Not bad.
Oh, just a bit.
Look, cool.
Some nice orchids.
I thought that's
In here.
right.
Crocodile.
There's an extra entrance.
Oh, it's a butterfly. Oh, it's a
That's not
see-through butterfly. It's got totally see-through wings.
Not really seeing very well.
Yeah, it's a
Useless jugglers.
bird just not catch it.
There's all sorts of the tarantula hiding. A skink. You can't see. She's hiding. A python, which is there he is. Look, in the corner. There we go. You can see him there. And this is a boa constrictor. There's Harry.
Harry?
Yeah.
Harry? Hello, Harry. It's a programme that we watch always has a little lizard called Harry in it.
I'll take a picture of Harry.
Oh, here he is. Quick, he's coming round. He's coming round again.
What, we're going to see a leaf?
Who knows?
Oh, there you go. There's something.
Lizard?
I think that was really good. I'm going for the insect bits. Did you actually look something?
I'm not sure how many insects there are here. Oh.
This is up.
It's a representation.
Ah, because we couldn't see the sloth.
It's not a monkey.
Oh my, really? They didn't even have the animal, so they had to get a fake one.
Yeah, just in case nothing comes out.
I'm actually going to have to take pictures of that just going on.
Monkey looking at you.
He's inquisitive.
Like what the hell? Let's see them three. Hey?
Yeah.
Right. Gordon Bennett.
His tail's longer than his.
Yeah. What an ugly bunch.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think they're real fish.
They are real fish.
Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's all
Yeah.
really nicely done.
They look great.
They're all legs and arms, aren't they?
How about I look?
Hello. I was going to jump in.
Look, they have bracelets so you can tell which one's which.
Yeah. It's just splashed me. Hello. Very inquisitive, aren't they? Wet.
I'm not. You can make me
Chocolate.
You're very good.
No, they don't. They pick up a penguin.
I love
Who wants to be on the telly?
I think they all do.
they all coming.
Get water on my lens, I'll thump you. It's all kicking off. Bit of a fight going on.
It's hard work to see them into. There's one you might be able to get on. Oh, there's some rocks at the end.
Actually, even though they're arguing.
I can't see down there. Not big enough.
I can see his little head. It's like they're playing Roblox. Like a gun attacking. It's very technical. Oh, you should have seen what I was seeing. You stepped right down in it. This one. Oh, this one's actually a good one. Depends on if you want to get it.
Won't it?
Broke.
Oh dear. Never mind, you can always wash your hands when we get back.
Rightio folks, we're going to call it a day. There's a big spider behind us and I don't like the look of him. And Sue don't like spiders. So we're going home.
We're going home.
So say bye bye Susie.
Bye bye, Susie.
Bye.